Hi Nick, my name's Christian. I'm with Ringen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your own website are going to be exclusive to you. So you're not going to be competing with, hundreds of other agents in your area paying top dollar for the same leads. So to get started, there's a couple things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. The first being content. Google loves content. Content is king. Content isn't just the words on your website, though. It's also the photos and how the photos are saved and what's behind the photos and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. So I would like to point out that you do have a nice Facebook page with, it shows you're a realtor. You got a link to your website. You got your videos here, your phone number. You got your email. That's cool. A lot of agents don't even have that, so you're one up on all them. So I'm really glad to see that you have a completed profile and letting everybody know, hey, I'm an agent. Call me, That's good. But as far as content goes, this is your website. So this is NextHome Signature Real Estate. So I don't know if you own this brokerage or if you're just a team lead on for this brokerage. But regardless, searchingomaha.com is the website. So I don't know if you own that domain or if this is your brokerage's domain. Either way, we're going to talk about content. Especially in real estate websites, content is so very important. But like I said, it's not just the word. So every photo on your website matters. So think of it like this. Google and search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. And a lot of times when we upload photos to a website, they're saved as random file names. So just random letters and numbers. Well, that's no good. So think about it. If you have a photo that Google's reading on the back end that nobody knows but Google, and it's saved as 1237956, what good is that? So you're going to want to make sure that you put some valuable content in every photo on your website. And again, I'm not sure if this is your domain or if it's the brokerage's, how much you can actually do with this. But that's one of the number one most important things you can do on a real estate website, is just save those photos the right way. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. Citations are going to help you rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in Omaha Realtors. We got Omaha Border Realtors. We got Nebraska Realty. We got Omaha Realtors. So obviously your team's not here. And even more importantly than that, I don't see your website on this front page either. So how far down do we have to go? I don't know. I'm not going to go into that on this video, but really this is where you want to be. You want to be in the top 3 and you want to be on the first page with your website. But even more importantly than that, if you're concerned, well, I'm not a broker, and so I don't know if I can get a Google My Business page. Check it out. Tim McGee, Realtor, broker. We got Andrea Lane, Jose Correa, Amber TK. Got all these people. So just for the purposes of this video, I used Joe Finley, a realtor. So first of all, get a Google My Business page. That's the number one thing. Second of all, get yourself 25 reviews. So obviously, Joe has only 6. So if you had more than 6, 7, then you'd be better than Joe, and you'd be ranking higher as long as you had them citations. But we recommend 25 reviews. So everybody knows the importance of reviews. Keep pushing for those reviews. You got your address, hours, phone. If you're concerned about the address, you can always either A, use your brokerage's address, or B, hide your address once you get your Google My Business page from the public so that they don't know that you're operating out of your home. If you don't have a building, if that's of concern. But this is what a basic Google My Business page looks like. The most important thing next to those citations is your photos. So we recommend having 10 photos put on your Google My Business page. And so this drive-by photo that Google does on their own, this one doesn't count. You're going to want 10 photos of your own. And so 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like Joe has only 6. And I'm willing to bet you that those 6 are not saved the right way. So just keep in mind how your photos are saved matters. We recommend 10 photos for your Google My Business page minimum and 25 reviews. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. So anywhere that searchingomaha.com can be found is going to give you a backlink. And this is actually really not that good at all from what I'm seeing. You have 7,000 backlinks almost. 6.71 thousand backlinks coming from 19 referring domains, and your domain rating is a 2.6 only. That's a 2.6 out of 100. So definitely got to do some work on this. Your backlinks kind of revert to power. And the more power you have, the more visibility you are. But not all backlinks are created equal. So with almost 7,000 backlinks, that's triple, quadruple most other websites, especially realtors. And so you're going to want to remove the backlinks that are coming from spammy sites and sites that aren't relevant to real estate. And I'm willing to bet you that's what's happening here with a 2.6 domain rating with almost 7,000 backlinks. So you're going to want to go in and remove all the backlinks that aren't bringing you value, and make sure you have valuable backlinks that are coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. And as you can see here, you're not ranking for any keywords as well, which is why you're not on the first page. Probably unless somebody types in searchingomaha.com, they're not going to find your website. So that's the real important thing. How much money is your website bringing you? How many people are finding your website, clicking on the contact us form, and sending you an email saying we're looking to buy a house or sell a house? That's the key. How many people are doing that? And if there's not enough, then you need to change some things. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and bring you some more money. So if you have any questions or comments or feedback, please do feel free to get in touch with us. Other than that, thank you very much for watching.